Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Mehvish Khalil from BS Chemistry 6th semester and my instructor name is M. Sadaf Javed. And today in this video, I am going to discuss the topic about DDT. DDT is a dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane compound and many of us don't even know its full form. As we know, since our childhood, in our earlier days, a white powdery material used in home to kill insects like cockroaches and ants. And today, I will discuss what is this DDT. DDT is basically a dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane compound. It is an organic compound contain chlorine atoms and it acts as an insecticide. It kills insects by acting on their nervous system, so it is basically a nerve poison. And now, when the DDT was prepared or discovered, DDT was first prepared as a pesticide to kill pests in 1873 by Othmar Zilder. He was a chemist and he prepared the DDT by reaction of chloride compounds with chlorobenzene in presence of sulfuric acid. Then, after a while, in 1939, Paul Muller discovered its insecticidal properties, and from then to now, it used as an insecticide killer. DDT, dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane, is basically a white crystalline powder with a little odor. It's have little smell, and its molecular formula is C14H9Cl5. And here is the structure of DDT. In this structure, DDT contains two phenyl compounds with 5 chlorine atoms. It contains totally 14 carbons, 5 chlorine and 9 hydrogen atoms. DDT is a highly reactive compound. And now I will discuss about the properties of DDT. DDT is a highly hydrophobic compound because it is insoluble in water and that's why it is not easily degraded from environment. Moreover, DDT is soluble in fat or oil molecules and it is easily soluble in lipids due to which it saturates the molecules or fats atoms in our body and cause the bioaccumulation. And now, what are the uses of DDT? As we know, DDT is an insecticide killer, so it is basically used to kill insects by affecting their nervous system. How it acts on their nervous system? In nervous system of insects, it increases the flow of sodium ions through cell membrane of neurons, and then nervous system of insects is overloaded and uncontrolled messages are causing the death of insects. It basically used to kill mosquitoes in earlier days and also used to get rid of body lysis. Once DDT also used in military during a World War II to combat the diseases like typhus and sac-borne diseases and also to kill mosquitoes and other insects. Now, what are the effects of DDT on our environment? In environment, DDT persistence. It persists in our environment because it is not easily degradable. It is not soluble in water. So it persists in our environment, even on plants or in air. Its half-life is 2 to 15 years and it can be passed on to consumer to the food chain when they consume plants which contain DDT atoms or molecules. Its effect on animals. On animals, DDT cause the thinning of eggshell and it may kill the embryo. It cause hormone problems in animals and it also causes their death. In humans, What the effects of DDT? DDT causes prickling feelings of mouth. It causes tingling in our lips and mouth due to their numbness. It causes incoordination, dizziness, tremors, vomiting, nausea, etc. And how DDT enters our body? When DDT is sprayed in air or on plants to kill insects like mosquitoes or pests, and then humans or animals, when consume these plants or when in air, DDT enter their bodies and accumulate in body, dissolved in their fat molecules because it is a fat soluble, and until the fat is saturated it remains there causing bioaccumulation. And what are the conclusions? DDT killed good insects and birds as well because when they consume it or when from air it passes into their body, it destroys their embryos and then effect on their nervous system. It is not used in many countries now, but in some countries it is used. But because it is a toxic compound, so many countries not even use this. It may enter the food chain or affect the ecosystem, and it is not easily biodegradable because it is not soluble in water. So it is right to ban DDT or use it continuously in our environment. Thank you, everyone.